Hi everyone, myself Professor Maitra Yogesh Dattatreya, Assistant Professor in working in KKO College of Horticulture, Nashik. Today I am going to presenting on the Tonga system in agroforestry. First of all, what is meant by Tonga or the Tonga is the Burmese word uh, consisting of tong. Tong means hill and ya means cultivation. That is means the cultivation in the hill Tonga is also shifting cultivation in which the cultivars are allowed to plant forest trees, forest species, and to raise the agriculture crop in between the two rows of the forest trees. And this species are simultaneously and cared for about 3 to 5 years, called as the Tonga system. Thereafter, the cultivars are required to shift to another patch of land. Means in this system, farmers grow the agriculture crop plus forest crop and simultaneously. When the forestry is formed to too dense and then shade are more, then farmers shift to another, select the another patch and create the another tongue system in another place. Then next one is the origin of Tonga. The aim of a Tonga system, both woodland food productions. Tonga was reported to have the started first in Burma in the year 1850 for replanting the vast areas under the teak plantation and in Java is Iceland in 1856. The Tonga was introduced by India by Brandis in 1856 and the first plantation were raised in 1863 in North Bengal. They have the three types. First one is the departmental Tonga, leased Tonga, and village Tonga. This one is the image of a Tonga system. In this images, we show that the this one is the forest crops and this is the agriculture crops is growing simultaneously. When this forest is canopy is increased and they are too dense, the shade is created. So that's why agriculture crop is not grow in that conditions or the 3 to 5 year after the plantation agriculture crops do not grow properly. That's why we select the another crops, another patch. First types of this Tonga system is the departmental Tonga. Under this, the agriculture crops and plantations are raised by the forest department by employing the number of laborers on a daily wages. And the main aim of the raising crop along with the plantation is to keep down the weed growth. In this departmental Tonga, the government or the forest department by employing the number of laborers for the daily wages is just like a tree plantation, digging pits, or the application of irrigations, or the removing of the weeds. All this operation carried out by the laborers under the forest departments, called as a departmental tongue. And this main aim of this system is keep down the weed growth. Next one, the type. Second type is a leased tonga. The plantation land is given on a lease to the person who offers the highest money for raising the crop for a specified number of years and ensures care of a tree plantations. In this, some lands, the farmers or those person who offer the highest money, this person take a land on a lease basis to growing of this tonga called as a lease tongue. Third one is a village tongue. This is the most successful Tonga system on these three systems. And the crop are raised by the people who have settled down in a village inside the forest for this purpose. Usually, each family has about zero point 0.8 to 1.7 hectare land to raise the trees and to cultivate the crop for 3 to 4 years. Means this system is mainly useful for those people who have settled down the forest area and thus people or the each family having the has the zero point 0.8 to zero point 0.7 hectare area should be allotted to raise the trees, and simultaneously we should grow the agriculture crop for 3 to 4 years. This all of these are the three types of a Tonga system. This one is the some images of a Tonga system. Then next one is advantage of Tonga system. First advantage is the artificial regeneration of forest is obtained cheaply. In very low budgets or the low costing, artificial regeneration of forest should be uh, useful for the governments or the forest department. Then problem of unemployment are solved because different daily wages work is allowed in Tonga system. We discussed the departmental Tonga system. In this, the different daily labors used for the daily wages. So the unemployments are problems are solved. Help toward the maximum utilization of the site means the barren lands or the non-utilized land. It should be the convert to the cultivated lands. So this site should be the use. Low cost method of forest plantation establishment. In this system is a very low cost means is a very cheaply you should grow the new forest. In every case, highly remunerative for the forest departments means they have the some different byproducts you should harvested by forest department and sell to the market. Then another advantage is the provision of food crops from forest land and weed climber growth, it's etc. is eliminated. The main aim of this to departmental trunk or this trunk system keep down the weed growth or the different parasitic climber. It should be removed in these systems, and the provision of the some agriculture crops or the forestry should take the different products from these systems. And next one, disadvantage of Tonga: loss of soil fertility and exposure of soil. Fertility losses is highly increased because for 3 to 5 years I should be transfer select the another pet. That's why the loss of soil fertility is a major problem. Danger of epidemics. In this forest department have the different epidemic systems. So this is a danger for, to the epidemic. Legal problem is created. In village Tonga is a government allowed a zero point 0.8 to 1.7 hectare land. So this is a legal problem should maybe created. Susceptibility of land to accelerate the soil erosion increases. As the slopy lands, the soil erosion it should be the increases because they keep down the weed growth. So that's why the irrigation erosions should be increases. It is a form of exploitation of human labors. Exploitation is any maybe chances of human labor exploitation. In some of the different 4 to 6 they are disadvantages, but it is a very good in a area where those are the forest land is more as compared to the geography land. Oh.